Read with your baby. It's never too early to start. Babies start learning as soon as they are born. You are your baby's first teacher. Your baby needs you to read to them. Reading time is quality, meaningful time with your baby. Read your favorite books. Sing your favorite songs. Repeat often. Having repeated fun with books will strengthen your baby's language development. It will also establish positive feelings about reading. Enjoy reading with your baby often.